on our way to Lavassa. Apparently it's a biker's paradise. We're gonna have some good ghat sections, I guess. We're hoping for that. Mad turns! Mad turn! నా కాలు కింద స్క్రేప్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. And we are a little bit late, but chalega. It is because it's almost 2.5 hour ride from here to Lavassa. Maybe if we add breaks, 3-hour rides, so we'll reach there by lunchtime. We are like 45 minutes away from Lavassa. There seems to be a decent ghat section on our way to Lavassa so far. Agara corner degrindura. We just stopped for a small photo session here at a dam nearby. Just look at the view, guys. Amazing view. कैसा रहा व्यू?
हाँ अभी मस्त है.
राइड कैसा है?
राइड ओके. अभी एक बड़ा इंसिडेंट जैसे हो गया है. बड़ा सा ब्रेकर आया, उसको दिखा नहीं, ताड़ बोल के हवा में उड़ के आए हम लोग नीचे.
Hello.
Energy. After that speed break, I have no energy. My head is gone, dude.
किशोर कैसे ड्राइव किया रे?
तेरे को ना मैं फेंक देती क्लिफ से.
ఎగిరిచ్చినా అంట బండి?
అవును
బాగా
బాగా
అసలు స్పీడ్ బ్రేకర్ కనపడలే అంట. ఓకే, యు ఫీలింగ్ గుడ్?
I'm okay.
Nice view on the left. These tires are amazing, guys. Compared to the stock Pirelli Phantoms, these tires are holding amazingly well on the corners. For dual compound tires, which are heavy in the middle and soft on the edges, I'm loving these tires. कैफे रेसर टेरिटरी ఇది. ఈ कैफे रेसर రెండు మజా వస్తున్నాయి. తక్షణ స్ట్రీట్ విన్. Is that a man-made lake? The water looks so good. Wow. Ede, क्या look है Ede? भैया. Amazing place. An amazing place to come. First time to Lavassa and we are loving it. Oh, we just had a heavy lunch. I feel so sleepy, but then just look at this view, guys. Awesome, right?
यहाँ आए और रुके ना तो कुछ.
We are finally done here at Lavassa. Amazing place. Sexy views. Most scenic and serene place with a bit of European feel to it. It was just one hell of an experience.